Has this thought ever crossed your mind how Häagen-Dazs, one of the world's best ice cream brands, turned a simple scoop of ice cream into a symbol of global luxury? It all started in the 1960s with Ruben Mattis, a visionary who dreamed of creating the world's finest ice cream. Armed with premium ingredients like Madagascar vanilla and Belgian chocolate, he crafted flavors that redefined indulgence. The made-up name Häagen-Dazs added a European flair, and soon what began as a small family venture grew into a worldwide phenomenon. But what's the secret behind its unmatched quality and success? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of this iconic brand. The story begins in the 1960s with Ruben Mattis, a visionary entrepreneur who believed ice cream could be so much more than a simple treat. Born to a family of Polish immigrants, Ruben worked tirelessly in his parents' small dairy business, learning the value of quality and hard work. Determined to create something exceptional, he developed a premium line of ice cream using only the finest ingredients. To give his brand an air of European sophistication, he coined the name Häagen-Dazs, a term without any literal meaning but rich in cultural allure. The first flavors, vanilla, chocolate, and coffee, quickly became a hit, setting the stage for a brand that would revolutionize the ice cream industry. This innovative approach marked the beginning of a legacy. Häagen-Dazs didn't just sell ice cream, it sold an experience, carving its place as a pioneer in the luxury dessert market. In this video, we'll take you inside the state-of-the-art facilities where Häagen-Dazs ice cream is produced on a massive scale. These mega factories combine cutting-edge technology with time-honored traditions to craft the perfect pint every time. From the meticulous selection of ingredients to the precise packaging process, every step is designed for excellence. Imagine thousands of gallons of ice cream being churned and packed every hour, each batch maintaining the brand's signature richness and flavor. Thanks to AI-driven systems, these factories operate with remarkable efficiency, ensuring that every pint of Häagen-Dazs delivers the same luxurious experience. These facilities highlight the brand's commitment to precision and consistency, showing how technology and tradition come together to create an iconic product. Häagen-Dazs is committed to using only the best ingredients, sourcing vanilla from Madagascar, cocoa from South America, and milk from local dairy farms. Each ingredient undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the brand's high standards. The milk, for instance, is sourced from cows raised on sustainable farms, ensuring freshness and purity. The vanilla beans are hand-picked, and the cocoa is carefully fermented and roasted to bring out its full flavor profile. AI technology plays a crucial role here, analyzing each batch of raw materials for consistency and quality. This commitment to sourcing the finest ingredients is what gives Häagen-Dazs its unparalleled taste. Every step from the farm to the factory reflects the brand's dedication to excellence and sustainability, ensuring each pint is a masterpiece. It all starts with the base, a simple yet perfect blend of cream, milk, sugar, and egg yolks. This mixture is heated to just the right temperature to achieve a smooth, velvety consistency. AI-controlled machines monitor the heating process, ensuring the mixture is pasteurized without losing its natural richness. Once prepared, the base is cooled rapidly to lock in its creamy texture, forming the foundation for all Häagen-Dazs flavors. This base is what gives the ice cream its characteristic richness and smooth mouthfeel, setting it apart from other brands. The careful crafting of this base ensures a consistent quality that has become synonymous with Häagen-Dazs, forming the bedrock of its luxurious taste. The next step is flavoring. Whether it's Madagascar vanilla, Belgian chocolate, or fresh strawberries, each ingredient is carefully measured and mixed into the base. Advanced mixing machines ensure the flavors are evenly distributed, creating a consistent taste in every pint. For fruit-based flavors, real fruit purees are used, while chocolate and the nut flavors are made with premium ingredients sourced from around the world. This attention to detail ensures that each flavor maintains its unique identity while meeting the high standards Häagen-Dazs is known for. The flavoring process transforms the already luxurious base into a symphony of tastes, allowing each pint to deliver an exceptional sensory experience. Once the flavors are added, the mixture goes through a churning process that incorporates just the right amount of air. Unlike other ice creams, Häagen-Dazs has minimal overrun, meaning it contains less air and more ice cream, resulting in a denser, creamier product. AI-driven machines regulate the churning speed and freezing temperatures to achieve the perfect texture. The ice cream is then flash frozen to lock in its fresh, creamy consistency. This rapid freezing process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, ensuring a smooth and luxurious texture in every bite. The result is a decadent dessert that offers an indulgent experience, bite after bite. For flavors like cookies and cream or dulce de leche, additional ingredients are folded in during the final stages of production. Cookies are crushed and blended, caramel swirls are added, and chocolate chips are gently mixed to create that perfect balance of textures. High-precision machines ensure these mix-ins are evenly distributed, so every scoop is packed with delicious surprises. This stage requires careful timing and precision, as even a slight variation could affect the final product's quality. It's the mix-ins and swirls that give certain Häagen-Dazs flavors their unique character, providing delightful surprises in every spoonful. Before the ice cream is packaged, it undergoes a series of quality checks. AI-powered cameras scan for any inconsistencies in texture, color, or distribution of mix-ins. Any batch that doesn't meet the strict standards is set aside for further inspection. In addition, taste tests are conducted to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. This rigorous quality control process guarantees that only the best pints make it to store shelves. It's this dedication to perfection that has earned Häagen-Dazs its reputation for excellence. Each pint reflects the brand's unwavering commitment to providing a superior ice cream experience. Once the ice cream passes quality checks, it moves on to packaging. Robotic arms fill each pint with precision, ensuring the exact amount of ice cream is packed into every container. The pints are then sealed with airtight lids and labeled with Häagen-Dazs iconic branding. Dates and batch codes are printed to ensure traceability and freshness. The packaging process is designed to be both efficient and hygienic, minimizing human contact to uphold the highest standards of cleanliness. The visually appealing pints are not just containers, but a promise of the premium experience awaiting inside. The packaged pints are then grouped into cartons, sealed, and labeled for shipment. These cartons are stored in massive freezers, where the temperature is carefully controlled to keep the ice cream in perfect condition. AI systems monitor the storage environment, ensuring consistent temperatures and humidity levels. The cartons are stacked efficiently to maximize space and prepare for distribution. From here, the ice cream is ready to be shipped across the globe, ensuring it arrives fresh and ready to delight customers. This step ensures that Häagen-Dazs ice cream reaches its destination in pristine condition, maintaining the quality customers expect. Häagen-Dazs operates a sophisticated logistics network to deliver ice cream to stores, restaurants, and homes worldwide. AI-driven systems optimize delivery routes, reducing transit time and maintaining product freshness. Trucks equipped with advanced refrigeration systems ensure the ice cream stays frozen during transit. This complex distribution network allows Häagen-Dazs to meet the high demand while minimizing its environmental impact. Every pint that reaches the consumer embodies a seamless coordination of technology and logistics, ensuring freshness and quality in every scoop. Häagen-Dazs is committed to sustainability, implementing eco-friendly practices throughout its production and distribution processes. From using renewable energy in factories to reducing plastic waste in packaging, the brand is constantly looking for ways to minimize its environmental footprint. AI systems track energy usage and waste management, helping the company achieve its sustainability goals. This commitment ensures that Häagen-Dazs not only delivers exceptional ice cream, but also contributes to a healthier planet. The brand's dedication to sustainability reflects its vision for a better future, ensuring that indulgence doesn't come at the expense of the environment. With millions of pints sold annually, Häagen-Dazs factories operate around the clock to keep up with global demand. The brand's ability to scale production while maintaining its premium quality is a testament to its innovative manufacturing processes. Whether it's for a cozy night in or a grand celebration, Häagen-Dazs remains a top choice for ice cream lovers around the world. Their commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction ensures that the brand continues to thrive in the competitive ice cream market, setting a benchmark for others to follow. And there you have it, the incredible journey of Häagen-Dazs, from humble beginnings to becoming a global icon. Ever wondered how that velvety chocolate syrup gets made? The kind you pour over your favorite desserts, the one with that signature taste that no other syrup quite matches? It's a journey that begins thousands of miles away with hand-picked cocoa beans and ends right on your kitchen shelf. Today we're going behind the scenes, from the farms where it all starts to the high-tech factory where every bottle is crafted to perfection. Curious? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the surprisingly complex process behind the world's favorite chocolate syrup. Creating the perfect chocolate syrup doesn't start in the factory. It starts at the source, deep in tropical regions where cocoa trees flourish. Only the highest quality beans make the cut, hand-picked from sustainable farms where farmers use time-tested techniques passed down through generations. These beans aren't just any beans. They're selected with an emphasis on flavor, quality, and ethical sourcing. Imagine farmers meticulously examining each cocoa pod, ensuring that only the ripest and most flavorful beans are chosen. This commitment to quality and fair trade means that every bottle of syrup you enjoy is rooted in sustainable practices, benefiting communities as well as the environment. Once the precious cargo arrives at the factory, it doesn't just go straight to production. No, the beans undergo an intense cleaning and sorting process. Specialized machines meticulously remove any dirt, debris, or unfit beans. Picture a conveyor belt lined with cocoa beans, where advanced scanners and sorting machines detect and discard any impurities or defects. This stage is crucial because even a single imperfect bean could disrupt the delicate flavor balance. Each bean is examined, cleaned, and sorted with precision, setting the stage for the rich, smooth chocolate flavor we all love. Now it's time to unlock the true essence of the cocoa bean: roasting. The beans are placed in industrial-grade roasters where temperature and timing are meticulously controlled. Roasting is a fine art, requiring a delicate balance to bring out the bean's natural flavors without burning away its richness. The beans are roasted until they reach that perfect shade of brown, releasing intoxicating aromas that fill the factory air. This process develops the bean's natural flavor compounds, creating the distinct chocolatey richness that defines the syrup. Skilled technicians closely monitor each roast, adjusting for factors like humidity and bean size to ensure each batch is just right. With the beans perfectly roasted, it's time for breaking and winnowing. This step separates the precious cocoa nibs from the outer shells. Specialized machinery cracks the beans, and high-speed air streams blow away the lighter shells, leaving behind only the dense, flavor-packed nibs. Imagine each bean being gently cracked open, releasing the nibs that hold the core flavor. These nibs are like little nuggets of pure chocolate potential, and they're about to be transformed into something extraordinary. The nibs now move to the grinding phase where they're crushed and ground into a thick, velvety paste known as cocoa liquor. Don't be fooled by the term. There's no alcohol here. Instead, cocoa liquor is pure, liquid chocolate in its most concentrated form. Industrial grinders work tirelessly to crush every nib, turning it into an ultra-smooth paste that will serve as the base for the syrup. The machinery used in this stage is engineered to grind the nibs to an exceptionally fine consistency, ensuring that every particle is as smooth as silk. This cocoa liquor captures the essence of chocolate, dense and rich, ready to be refined even further. Here's where the cocoa liquor is transformed further. Through a process called pressing, the cocoa liquor is divided into cocoa butter and cocoa solids. Think of cocoa butter as the silky, fatty part, while the cocoa solids hold the intense chocolate flavor. By balancing the two, the factory can control the texture and richness of the final product. Separating these components is a delicate process, but it's essential to achieve that perfect blend of smoothness and chocolatey intensity that's unique to this syrup. With the cocoa components ready, it's time to add the ingredients that make this syrup so irresistible: milk and sugar. In large vats, the cocoa solids are combined with milk powder and a precisely measured amount of sugar. This blending stage is no simple mix. It's a carefully calibrated process that ensures each ingredient melds together seamlessly. The milk gives the syrup a creamy base, while the sugar sweetens it just enough to create that satisfying flavor. These ingredients are combined in exact ratios, achieving the same perfect taste in every single bottle. Of course, there's a special twist to this recipe, a blend of secret ingredients that give the syrup its iconic taste. These ingredients are closely guarded, known only to a select few within the company. Each element in this secret mix has been carefully chosen to enhance the chocolate flavor, adding subtle notes that make every drizzle unforgettable. It's these secret ingredients that set this syrup apart, creating a unique flavor profile that's instantly recognizable. Next up is refining. The chocolate mixture goes through a refining process where it's broken down even further, removing any remaining particles that could affect its smoothness. Imagine huge rollers, pressing and refining the mixture until every last bit of grittiness is smoothed out. This step is critical to achieving that silky, luxurious texture that pours effortlessly, coating every scoop of ice cream or stack of pancakes. This refined mixture is a far cry from the raw cocoa nibs we started with, having been transformed into a creamy, flowing chocolate base. The refined chocolate mixture now moves on to a process called conching, a key step in developing flavor. Conching involves kneading the chocolate in a large machine for hours on end. This slow and steady movement brings out the depth of the chocolate's flavor while eliminating any unwanted bitterness. Think of it as coaxing the best characteristics out of the chocolate, enhancing its sweetness, richness, and aroma. This conching process is what gives the syrup its smooth, intense chocolate profile, ensuring each spoonful is filled with deep, complex flavors. Tempering follows conching, creating a consistent texture throughout the syrup. The chocolate is carefully heated and cooled in a controlled environment, stabilizing the mixture and ensuring it retains its glossy, smooth appearance. Tempering also helps the syrup pour perfectly without separating, maintaining that luxurious, velvety finish we expect. The result is a syrup that's rich, thick, and always ready to add a touch of chocolate magic to whatever it touches. At this stage, the syrup undergoes pasteurization to ensure it's safe for consumption. Pasteurization heats the mixture to kill any potential bacteria without altering the flavor or texture. This crucial step ensures that every bottle is not only delicious, but also safe, giving you peace of mind with every pour. Pasteurization is part of the brand's commitment to quality and safety, meeting the highest standards to deliver a product you can trust. Now comes homogenizing, which gives the syrup that signature thickness. The syrup is run through special equipment that stabilizes all the ingredients, preventing any separation and creating a perfectly even texture. Homogenizing ensures that each bottle has that thick, pourable consistency that flows smoothly, perfect for topping desserts or blending into drinks. After homogenizing, the syrup is gradually cooled to lock in its texture and prevent any separation over time. This careful cooling process stabilizes the syrup so it stays thick and creamy even after weeks in your pantry. This cooling step ensures that every bottle you open is just as rich and creamy as the first. With the syrup finally ready, it's time for bottling. Using high-tech filling machines, each bottle is filled with the exact amount of syrup. Precision is key here, as every bottle needs to have the same amount, ensuring consistency across every batch. This filling process is a spectacle of efficiency and accuracy, minimizing waste and guaranteeing that every bottle reaches you in perfect condition. As soon as each bottle is filled, it's sealed tightly to preserve freshness. The iconic label is added, a promise of the quality inside. Every detail, from the seal to the branding, is designed to ensure the syrup stays fresh and appealing until it reaches your kitchen. Before the bottles leave the factory, they undergo strict quality control checks. Teams of experts taste test, inspect, and verify each batch to ensure that it meets the highest standards. This attention to detail means that every bottle of syrup you enjoy has passed rigorous checks for taste, texture, and appearance. Finally, the bottles are packed in eco-friendly boxes, ready to be shipped to stores worldwide. From the factory to the shelves, each bottle is carefully handled, so it arrives fresh and ready to enjoy. It's a journey of thousands of miles, delivering chocolatey goodness to households everywhere. This brand doesn't just focus on quality, they're also committed to sustainability. From recyclable packaging to ethically sourced cocoa, they're dedicated to reducing their environmental footprint. Every bottle represents a commitment to responsible production and sustainable practices. After this meticulous journey, the syrup finally makes its way into your home, ready to drizzle over desserts or stir into a glass of milk. With each bottle, you're not just enjoying a treat, you're tasting the result of a careful process dedicated to flavor, quality, and sustainability. Ever wonder how the drink that fuels athletes, gamers, and CEOs alike is made? Red Bull isn't just an energy drink. It's the fuel behind epic moments, wild adventures, and global success stories. But what really goes into every can? Known for its ability to boost energy, increase alertness, and fuel both mental and physical performance, Red Bull has become a staple beverage for athletes, students, and busy professionals alike. But have you ever wondered what goes into producing millions of cans of this iconic drink every day? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how Red Bull is made in mega factories around the world, unveiling every step from sourcing the ingredients to sealing the final product. The story of Red Bull began in the bustling streets of Bangkok, Thailand in 1982. A local drink called Churning Freezing, created by Chaleo Uvidya, was popular among Thai laborers needing an energy boost. Austrian entrepreneur Dietrich Mateschitz discovered the drink during his travels and saw its global potential. Mateschitz didn't just introduce Churning Freezing to the Western market, he reimagined it. With Chaleo's partnership, they launched Red Bull in Austria in 1987, marking the start of what would become one of the most successful beverages in the world. Today, Red Bull dominates the global energy drink market thanks to clever branding and innovation. When Red Bull first launched in Europe, it wasn't just a new drink, it was an entirely new concept. Energy drinks were rare in the Western market, and Mateschitz knew that merely offering the product wouldn't be enough. The original Churning Freezing was adjusted to better suit European palates, making it slightly less sweet and more refreshing. What really set Red Bull apart, however, was its association with adventure and extreme sports. The slogan, "Red Bull gives you wings," became a cultural phenomenon, aligning the brand with daring athletes and exciting events, from Formula One to cliff diving competitions. Red Bull's recipe relies on a carefully selected combination of ingredients, each serving a specific function. The most notable ones include caffeine, taurine, glucose, sucrose, and B-group vitamins. Caffeine helps improve alertness, taurine supports neurological function, and the sugars provide an instant energy source. These ingredients are sourced from different regions around the world to ensure top-tier quality. Whether it's glucose from Europe or caffeine extracts from South America, the goal is to maintain the highest standards for every batch. There's a persistent urban myth about the origin of taurine in Red Bull, that it's derived from bull semen. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. The taurine used in Red Bull is entirely synthetic and produced in laboratories under strict safety guidelines. This makes the drink not only safe but also suitable for vegetarians and vegans. Taurine plays an essential role in maintaining proper hydration and supporting muscle function, which is why it's a crucial component in Red Bull's formula. Caffeine is a cornerstone ingredient in energy drinks, and Red Bull is no exception. A single 8.4 ounce can contain about 80 milligrams of caffeine, equivalent to a small cup of coffee. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, helping improve focus, reaction times, and endurance. This is why Red Bull is popular not only among athletes, but also among students and professionals seeking a quick mental boost. Red Bull is subject to rigorous safety checks and regulations. Organizations such as the European Food Safety Authority and the U.S. Food and Drug Administration have confirmed that the ingredients in Red Bull are safe when consumed in moderation. The company also follows stringent manufacturing protocols to ensure every batch meets international safety and health standards. Once sourced, the raw ingredients are transported to Red Bull's factories. These facilities are equipped with advanced food processing technology to manage the ingredients efficiently. From glucose syrup to caffeine powder, each component arrives at the factory under strict temperature and storage conditions to maintain its quality. The production process begins with the precise mixing of ingredients. Automated systems measure and blend the components, ensuring the taste and functionality remain consistent across every batch. Slight variations in the formula could impact the product's taste or effectiveness, so precision is paramount. Sophisticated equipment is used to maintain the ideal ratio of ingredients, ensuring every can delivers the same energy boost. Before we dive deeper into the exciting factory process, take a moment to hit that subscribe button. Join our journey behind the scenes of amazing factory-made wonders, and you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Can production Red Bull cans are as iconic as the drink itself. These sleek, slim cans are made from high-grade aluminum sheets that are cut and molded into shape. A special coating is applied to the interior of the cans to prevent any chemical reaction between the beverage and the metal, ensuring the drink stays fresh and flavorful. The lightweight design not only makes the cans portable, but also supports the brand's sustainability goals. Filling and sealing automated machines handle the can filling process at lightning speed, filling thousands of cans every minute. Sensors monitor the exact amount of liquid poured into each can, ensuring uniformity. Once filled, the cans are immediately sealed to prevent contamination. This airtight seal is crucial for maintaining the drink's quality and freshness. After sealing, the cans undergo pasteurization. This process involves heating the cans to a specific temperature to kill any harmful bacteria or microorganisms that could compromise the product's safety. Pasteurization ensures that Red Bull can be shipped and stored without refrigeration, which is vital for global distribution. Red Bull's sleek minimalist packaging is designed for convenience and portability. The slim cans fit easily into cup holders, pockets, and backpacks, making them perfect for people on the go. The design has become so iconic that it's instantly recognizable around the world. Focus on environmental protection. Red Bull's commitment to sustainability extends to its packaging. The cans are made from 100% recyclable aluminum, and recycling a single can saves enough energy to power a television for 3 hours. This eco-friendly approach aligns with the company's goal of reducing its environmental impact. Red Bull continuously explores ways to minimize its carbon footprint. Lightweight designs reduce the amount of aluminum used, while renewable energy sources power many of the company's factories. These initiatives are part of Red Bull's broader commitment to sustainable production practices. Producing millions of cans daily requires a robust manufacturing and logistics network. While Red Bull is actively working to reduce emissions, the sheer scale of its operations contributes to greenhouse gases. The company is committed to finding innovative ways to offset these emissions, including investing in carbon-neutral technologies. Red Bull's global success is built on its ability to deliver a consistent product. Every can undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure it meets the company's high standards. This commitment to consistency ensures that consumers in New York, Tokyo, or Sydney enjoy the same Red Bull experience. Once the production process is complete, the cans are packed into boxes and prepared for shipment. Red Bull has an extensive distribution network that spans over 170 countries. Whether they're destined for a supermarket in Europe or a convenience store in Asia, the cans are carefully handled to ensure they arrive in perfect condition. Why is a bag of Lay's chips so enticing? Is it each chip's flavor, crunch, or just plain perfection? From the meticulously cultivated potatoes on nearby farms to the state-of-the-art machinery utilized in mega factories, every bag is the result of a complex procedure that requires months of preparation. We'll learn about the amazing journey of Lay's chips today, from the soil to the store, and how millions of chips are produced every day to satisfy demand worldwide. Lay's chips start their journey on specialty potato farms. Because of their optimal growth conditions, these farms are carefully selected to produce potatoes that are high in starch and low in sugar, making them excellent for crispy, golden chips. Potatoes grown especially for their size, texture, and low moisture content, such as Atlantic, Snowden, and Lady Rosetta, are used by Lay's. These types guarantee that the chips cook through without burning or getting mushy. In order to increase fertility, farmers till the ground months before planting, loosening the soil and adding nutrients and compost. It's crucial to have enough drainage since too much water can damage the potatoes. In order to provide them adequate area to grow healthily, seed potatoes are planted in rows by the early spring. To guarantee accuracy and plant each potato at precisely the correct depth, farmers depend on mechanical planters. In order to reduce water waste, drip irrigation systems are used on modern farms to provide water straight to the roots. To encourage healthy plant growth, farmers use smart sensors to track soil conditions and nutrient levels throughout the growing season. The potatoes are ready to be harvested after 90 to 120 days. They are dug up and automatically sorted by harvesting machines before being loaded onto trucks. To ensure quality control, potatoes that are infected or damaged are thrown out right away. To guarantee freshness, the harvested potatoes are then delivered straight to the Lay's facility. Within a few hours of leaving the fields, the newly harvested potatoes reach the Lay's facility. For the potatoes to maintain their moisture content and quality, time is of the essence. The quality inspection section is the first checkpoint, where automated scanners and factory staff make sure that only the best potatoes are used in production. Rejected potatoes are sent for animal feed or composting if they are too big, too small, or discolored. Conveyor belts carry the authorized potatoes to huge washing facilities. Clean potatoes are prepared for slicing after being cleaned by high-pressure water jets and brushes that remove soil, debris, and any remaining pesticide. While some potato peels can be eaten, Lay's removes the skin completely to guarantee a consistent texture. Friction rollers are used in industrial peeling equipment to remove the outer skin off potatoes without causing any harm. The potatoes go through high-speed slicers after being peeled. With its ability to slice hundreds of potatoes every minute, these machines guarantee that every slice is the same thickness. Every chip will cook evenly when fried because to this uniformity. To get rid of extra starch, the uncooked slices are cleaned in cold water baths. The chips would clump together when frying if this step wasn't taken, resulting in an inconsistent cook. Additionally, this rinse step makes the finished product crispier. Before frying, the slices are gently dried on vibrating conveyor belts to eliminate any last traces of moisture. This is an important step because when the chips are immersed in hot oil, water can create dangerous splattering. Here's where the magic happens. Raw potato slices are turned into our favorite crispy chips. The slices are immersed in hot oil as they pass through massive industrial fryers. To guarantee that the chips fry uniformly, the oil is maintained at a constant 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. For roughly 3 to 4 minutes, the slices stay in the oil. To keep the chips from adhering together, revolving paddles automatically agitate them. The distinctive crunch is produced as the water within each slice evaporates during cooking. After being fried, the chips go along conveyors that drain excess oil. This guarantees that they stay crisp, light, and not unduly oily. It's time to give each chip its distinct flavor, be it barbecue, sour cream and onion, or classic salted. The seasoning is carefully distributed over the newly fried chips as they pass through revolving drums. With the use of precision sprayers, every chip is perfectly coated, guaranteeing that no mouthful is flavorless. Every chip receives an even seasoning thanks to the drum's revolving motion. Lay's engineers meticulously regulate the seasoning content to provide a uniform flavor in each batch. At Lay's, quality is a given. To make sure every chip satisfies their exacting criteria, the business uses both sophisticated technology and human inspectors. The chips go through laser-guided scanners that look for flaws like discolored patches or burned edges. Chips that fail the test are taken off the manufacturing line and fed to animals. Additionally, Lay's uses human testers to sample chips at random throughout the day for taste testing. To make sure the chips are ideal before packaging, these testers assess the flavor, texture, and crispness. The chips proceed to the packing equipment after passing quality check. To guarantee that each bag contains the proper quantity, the chips are mechanically weighed and portioned. After that, the packaging machines put chips into the bags and use nitrogen gas to keep the chips fresh. Every bag is sealed with heat to keep out air. The chips are shielded from staleness and crushing during transportation by nitrogen gas. The bags are given a batch code and expiration date, which aids in inventory management and, in the event of a product recall, after being packaged, the chips are transported to distribution sites in cartons. They are then sent to supermarkets, petrol stations, vending machines, and grocery stores all around the world. Lay's makes sure the chips are fresh and ready to consume by using an advanced inventory management system. Lay's is dedicated to using sustainable production methods. The facility turns discarded chips and leftover potato peels into compost or animal feed. In Lay's production line, nothing is wasted. Lay's carbon footprint is decreased by using wind and solar energy to power many of its factories. In an effort to cut down on plastic waste throughout its international operations, Lay's is also experimenting with biodegradable packaging materials. And so, from farm to factory, Lay's chips are produced. Every bag is a symbol of the commitment of farmers, the accuracy of food scientists, and the strength of contemporary equipment. You'll understand the amazing journey that Lay's chips have gone to reach your hands the next time you open a bag of them. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating factory tours. Let us know in the comments, what's your favorite Häagen-Dazs flavor? Stay tuned for more deep dives into how your favorite treats are made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.